Records retention. Retention. The function of preserving and maintaining records for continuing use. This may be done in the agency of origin, in a record center, or in an archival institution. Retention period. The length of time as provided for by legislation, regulation, or administrative procedure, or based upon an estimate of the frequency of continuing use that records should be retained in an office or record center before they are transferred to an archival institution or otherwise disposed of. Retention is the process of maintaining records for continuing use either in the agency of origin, in a record center, or in an archival institution. It follows that records retained for use must remain accessible. If records no longer have continuing utility and have no enduring value, they should be destroyed. If they no longer have continuing utility but have enduring value, they should be preserved in an archival institution. Retention considerations include 1. Historical value. While only a small percentage of the volume of records in an organization have permanent value, these records are especially significant as they document the history of the government or community, contain important information about persons, places, or events, or are valuable because of age or rarity, such as records of the 18th and 19th centuries. Examples include minutes, policies, agency histories, ordinances, plat maps, and annual reports. 2. Administrative value. These records are necessary for the day-to-day operations of an office, to conduct current or future business functions, or to document the establishment of policy or operations. Examples include correspondence, studies, and reports. 3. Legal value. These records have a mandated retention by statute or regulation. Determine the legal value of records with assistance from legal counsel. Examples include leases, deeds, student records, medical records, and court case files. 4. Fiscal value. These records document an office's fiscal responsibilities, such as the receipt, payment, transfer, adjustment, or encumbrance of public funds. Most financial records usually lose value once an audit has been completed. Health, safety, and disaster preparedness. Objectives. By the end of this topic, the officer should be able to 1. Identify the types of disasters that can occur in a registry. 2. Explain the causes of disaster in the registry. 3. Explain safety measures to avert disasters in the registry. 4. Explain the importance of healthy environment in the workplace. 5. Explain the importance of disaster preparedness, response, and recovery. Types of disasters. What is disaster? Is a sudden, calamitous event bringing great damage, loss, and destruction and devastation to life of records. Emergencies and disasters can be classified as natural or human-caused. Natural disasters come from natural phenomena such as earthquakes, hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones, volcanic eruptions, drought, or flood. Human disasters include water leakage, explosions, terrorist actions, and war. When determining the possible risks to the organization and its records, it is necessary to identify the possible emergencies that might occur, then assess their likelihood and the potential damage they could bring to organization records.